Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Medling World. Today we are at Universal City Walk and we are going to have lunch at TOOTHSOME Chocolate Emporium. So let's go over and check it out. So when you come into the restaurant, you're going to want to check in here with the host for your reservation. They do have convenient stroller parking, anybody with a stroller. And I just want to show you guys something over here. Look at this stuff. This is cool. All kinds of stuff. Oh, look at that, it's bacon. White chocolate drizzled bacon. Salt. With the pink Himalayan salt bacon. Wow, chocolate covered. Are you serious? Oh, and here's a popular one for this time of the year. The pumpkin fudge is already out. Look at this stuff, guys. Unbelievable. Death by chocolate jar cake? Are you kidding me? So I just asked the team member here and they do have some sugar-free options. Let's go see what they got. Said it was on the bulk wall. So here's the bulk candy wall that the team member told me about for the sugar-free candy. So let's have a look. I'm seeing some really sugary cool stuff, as you can see. Let's go along and let's see if we can find some. Okay, I found some here, guys. So we have chocolate raisins, no sugar added. Okay. This one is the chocolate almond sugar free. We have chocolate peanuts, no sugar added. And we have some chocolate almonds sugar free. That is about the only ones I'm seeing that are sugar free. So pretty cool. At least they do have some sugar free options. This looks like some different memorabilia. Here's a skull uniform bus trinket box. Look at that. If you notice the sign. So I'm trying not to touch too much. This is all cotton candy. Look at that display. That is awesome. They have all different cool flavors too. Cherry berry. Rainbow swirl. And this is just a cool part of the Emporium where they just have a lot of the treats and some memorabilia, different shirts there, and more candy. So pretty neat. And here's like a long sleeve t-shirt, $35. And they have some really cool looking hats. How much are these hats, guys? $25. There's a nice brown one up there. So a couple different kinds. You can see they have all kinds of cool stuff. The macaroons. Passion fruit, delicious. Salted caramel. Tiramisu. Some more of the macaroons. Orange vanilla cream. I wonder if that tastes like those creamsicles I used to love when I was a kid. So you can see they have all kinds of these just little, I call them like bonbons, little truffles, all different kinds. How much are the truffles? Depends. Let's go check out the prices on the truffles here, guys. So you got the different boxes. You get 6 for $16.95. You get 12 for $31.95. And if you want to go all out for $24, $50. So there you have it. And they do have their allergy information here for you to review. So yeah, these coffees are really awesome. I love the packaging, and they're $17 for the coffees. And then they have these cool chocolate bars, so 3 for $10. So you can get, it's like they have 3 different kinds: Irish cream coffee bar, hazelnut coffee bar, and the dark amaretto coffee bar. So for $10 you can try all 3. Basically, if you like sugar, this is where you want to be. But we just got called that our table's ready, so let's go on inside and let's check it out. So guys, we just got our table. We're up. There's 2 levels in the Emporium here, so we're up on the 2nd level. Just another little point to let you guys know. Reservations are highly recommended for this. Today it's pretty dead in here, so you probably could get in without one, but I usually like to go out at least 2 or 3 weeks and take a look at the calendar and then make a reservation for the day I want to come. One other thing cool, accessibility for this restaurant's excellent. They have an elevator, so if you are up on the 2nd level, you can take the elevator up. And it's cool, it's like built right in with the restaurant, so it has a really nice atmosphere to it, so it's like part of the experience. So guys, as you can see, there is a scan, you know, for the menu, and it just popped up, so let's have a look at it. So you got different appetizers, Philly cheesesteak rolls, wow. So you got your appetizers, just kind of give you a little glance through them. So they do have quite a variety. They have some Brussels sprouts, just to give you an idea. Fried zucchinis, salads. Let's see, we have the Waldorf chicken salad, watermelon salad, TOOTHSOME salad, grouper salad. So some nice salad selections with, you know, nice classic Caesar, and then you can add in chicken or shrimp with it. Some soups. They got flatbreads. They have different sandwiches. Quite a few selections of sandwiches, and then they have some burgers. Looks like, wow, yeah, 5 or 6 burgers, and they also have some pasta dishes as well. Anywhere, but you know, it's kind of standard. Well, they got the shrimp macaroni and cheese. It doesn't look too bad. And fettuccine alfredo, just to give you a couple ideas of what they have. And then they have some entrees here. They have chicken, they have some ribs, salmon, some more chicken. So it looks like, oh, they have a beef filet mignon, they have a New York strip, and it looks like they also serve a brunch type menu here, and I'm pretty sure you can get that anytime. In fact, I have ordered it before. Waffles, all kinds of stuff, French toast, patty melt. They have quiches, all kinds of stuff. So very nice menu, a lot to choose from. So hopefully I'm going to take a look at this and decide what I want to have. Okay, so our food has arrived. I got the bacon burger with the, instead of the French fries, it's like the chips. So chip fries, I guess you could call them. And Roberta got quiche with a French onion soup, and it comes with some nice...
It's quiche Lorraine. Quiche Lorraine, and it comes with some fresh fruits. And I have the French onion soup.
And Jake, he's kind of a classic guy, so you can see he got his French fries and his chicken fingers. So we're gonna dive in and eat this, and then we're gonna let you guys know how good it is. The bacon cheddar burger was good, you know, typical cheeseburger, it was fine. Roberta ate all of her quiche, her soup. Jake, well, you know Jake, kids, they pick and they, but he did a good job with his as well, and we all did like our food. So we're waiting on our desserts. One thing I do want to tell you is this restaurant's really cool because it's kind of like it's like a dining experience, I would call it, because of all the cool merchandise and all the candies when you first walk in. It's almost like two separate things. So even if you don't have a reservation for dining, you can come in here and go to the store and buy different candies, the merchandise, the shirts. So you have those two options here at the Chocolate Emporium, which I think is really cool. But we're waiting on our desserts, and as soon as they get here, we're gonna show you what they look like.
All right, this is our favorite part, the milkshakes and desserts. So there's picture here and the prices, and this side here it's all shakes. And let's turn around. On this side here we have sundae, and we also have some desserts. So Jake decided to go with the brownie milkshake, which is Dutch chocolate ice cream brownie and milk chocolate swirl. And me and Matthew, we decided to go with a dessert that is chocolate cream brulee, which it is creamy chocolate custard caramelized sugar shell. And hopefully it's good.
We're so awesome. We are celebrating Jake's birthday, and our server brought him out a candle with his awesome brownie milkshake. That is so cool, Jake. Make a wish. And that looks good. Nice. Hey guys, look here. There's our chocolate cream brulee. Roberta and I are gonna share this. Now, don't forget, this place is specialized in their desserts, so we can't wait to dig into that. Well, I just want to thank everybody for watching Medling World. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Now, Chocolate Emporium was awesome for lunch, and just to let you know, it was only $66 for everything we got. That is with, of course, the annual pass. So, there you have it. It's a thumbs up from Medling World. We all enjoyed it. Jake had a nice birthday lunch. So I want to thank you all for watching. And last but not least, see ya!